An Elder Scrolls master file is the foundation of Bethesda's modding ecosystem. Core game data and mod definitions that the entire Elder Scrolls and Fallout experience builds upon. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage, mod, or troubleshoot these game master files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your ESM, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. ESM files are master plugin files for Bethesda's creation engine games, including Skyrim Fallout 4 and Starfield. They contain foundational game data, including world spaces, NPC definitions, quest scripts, item databases, and game mechanics that other plugins reference as dependencies. Elder Scrolls ESM files use the creation engine plugin format, with record groups containing WRLD NPCs, QUST, and other record types. They are flagged as master files, allowing ESP plugins to reference their form IDs. ESM files load before all ESP plugins in the load order. The ESM format operates under the official standard set by the Elder Scrolls. 5. Skyrim from Bethesda Game Studios. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows cannot preview the actual assets, so viewing requires compatible game extraction utilities. We are looking for the exact software decoder, right-click the ESM file and select Open With. Use the Elder Scrolls V, Skyrim if installed. If it's unavailable, choose another program and check compatibility. If you still cannot open your ESM file, that is okay. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent ESM file error. First, opening in Creation Kit. Install the Creation Kit from Steam or Bethesda.net launcher. Open the ESM file as an active plugin via File, then Data, to browse and edit all game records including NPCs, quests, items, and world spaces in the visual editing environment. Next, managing load order. Use a mod manager such as Mod Organizer 2 or Vortex to arrange ESM files in the correct load order. ESM files always load before ESP files. Use Loot the Load Order Optimization tool to automatically sort ESM and ESP files for maximum mod compatibility. Finally, inspecting with Xedit. Download Xedit, TS5 Edit, FO4 Edit from Nexus Mods to inspect and clean ESM files. Open the ESM to browse all records. Check for errors and resolve conflicts between multiple master files. Use Xedit's conflict detection to identify overwriting records between mods. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.